Hey guys, so I just want to show you this product that I've been using. It's a wood conditioner, and I basically started putting it on all my woodwork. So when you don't put it on, this is kind of what happens. So if you look over here, the stain that I put on, it started to bleed, and it just doesn't look very professional. And then I did another one with the conditioner, exact same stain, and this is the results. So just let me well, here's the two side by side, and again from far away it kind of looks the same, but if you really look at it, it's night and day. So let me show you how I apply it. So I'll let this sit for, I don't know, maybe about 10 minutes or so, and then I'll do another coat on top, and then I'll let that sit for about another 10 minutes, and then I'll put my stain on. So this is now with the stain, still drying. But as you guys can see, it's nice and uniform, no bleeding. And once it dries, it'll look even better. So yeah, thanks for watching.